Hey guys, I'm Jennifer. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the best of cleansers and face washes. I have gathered all these face washes or cleansers over 2 years and I learned how it works on my skin. And also, all of these face washes are quite affordable also. And I've also learned what are the pros and cons about these face washes and what to use in a particular season. So to know more about this, let's dive right into the video. So the first face wash is the Himalaya Neem Foaming face wash. This is an amazing face wash for acne prone skin, and also it claims that it prevents pimples and also purifies and cleans all skin types. And this is specially recommended for acne prone skin, and also it is very affordable, just retails for rupees 195. So the second face wash in my list is the Mamaearth Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron extract. This is an amazing face wash for tan removal. It contains small granules which also acts as a mild exfoliant onto your skin. This is sulfate free, paraben free and suitable for all skin types. This is also very affordable. I think it retails for rupees 249. Yeah, it retails for rupees 249 and best face wash for summer season as it removes tan. So I use this face wash during the summer seasons. The third face wash in my list is the Nivea face wash Milk Delight. It is very affordable also. It soothes and hydrates your skin. It is very gentle on your skin and it claims that it cleanses and brightens for healthy looking skin. This retails for rupees 85 and it is very affordable. Go for this product. So the next face wash in my list is the Nivea Purifying face wash. This is an amazing face wash and I use this face wash on a daily basis. This contains ocean algae and Hydra IQ, which hydrates your skin, and it is meant for mixed to oily skin, and it claims that it is used for deep cleansing and moisture balance. This retails for rupees 175. It is very affordable. So the next face wash on my list is the Bodycupid Vitamin C Brightening Face Wash for dull and patchy skin. This is an amazing face wash to add that glow and that supple look onto your skin. I use this face wash when there is occasions and this retails for rupees 299, very affordable also. And this claims that it is sulfate free, paraben free and also silicone free and specially meant for dull and patchy skin. When my skin looks very dull or dehydrated, I use this face wash. This is an amazing face wash worth the money. So the next face wash on my list is the L'Oreal Paris White Perfect Milk Foaming Face Wash and Brightening Face Wash. I have no words to tell about this face wash. This is an amazing face wash. This is a foaming face wash and also this adds that instant brightness to your skin. What it claims is purifying and brightening your skin. When you start applying this face wash and after washing it, you get that squeaky clean effect and also adds that glow and brightness to your skin. So this is a face wash that everyone must go for it, and this retails for rupees 250 or something. I'll put it in the description box below so you guys can check it out. So these were the few face washes that I showed you in this video. So the next set of face washes I'll be showing in the other video. Until, stay tuned. Bye bye.